Hey guys, Mike Simmons here. I'm going to show you how to reset your iPad. So first you're going to tap on Settings, it's a gear icon, and then we're going to tap over to General, which is another gear icon, and then scroll down and we're looking for Transfer or Reset iPad. Once that pulls up, there's two options. We're going to hit Erase All Content and Settings, and then simply tap on Continue, and then the last step is hit Erase iPad. You may have to enter a passcode or a password, and then you're all set. Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about unboxing and setting up your county purchased iPad. Now, when you first get your iPad, you're going to select your language and get started, and eventually it's going to bring you to a page that says Wi-Fi, and go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi connection. And anytime we send these out to your school, it will already have been pre-enrolled. So when it gets to the page that says enroll this iPad, simply tap on that and then select your preferences. And when you get to the home page of the iPad, then you are good to go. I hope this video helps. Have a great day.